Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Junior on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called interencdec. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is cryptography. The task is to find a flag by decrypting a file. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the challenge, interencdec. Description: can you get the real meaning from this file? Download the file here. So let's copy the link and head over to the terminal, and I'll use vget to get the file. There we go. We can start by analyzing the file with the file command. And it's just an ASCII text file, so let's have a look. And here we have something which looks very much like base64 encoded string. Let's copy that one and let's start CyberChef. Here we are in CyberChef, so let's grab the content of the file. Let's see if we can decode it with, sorry, not to, from base64. And here we get a new string, and this also looks like it's base64 encoded. So let's just grab that and input it again. And now we have something that looks a bit like a flag. So let's see if this is rot13 or Caesar. And with this rot13 brute force, it tries all the combinations. And here we see at 19 that we have the flag. So picoCTF, Caesar, decrypted. So let's grab that one and head back over to picoCTF and submit this. Hooray, we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.